One of the first things you got to do to make these bacon encrusted jalapeno poppers is you got to have jalapenos, guys. I got some fresh ones right here hanging on the vine. Oh man, look at that thing. These are gonna be awesome. Some of the biggest jalapenos I've ever grown, guys. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna take these off. I don't like them things. Go ahead and split these down the middle. Right down the middle. Oh yeah. We're gonna de-seed these suckers. There we go. And then we're gonna stuff them. What's this stuffing, you say? Well, that's cream cheese, regular cheese, which is yellow shredded cheese, bacon bits, a little bit of Parmesan, some black pepper. And that's it. So we're gonna stuff them real good, okay? Let me devein this one right here. Get all this stuff out of here. And as you can tell, I've got many more to do here. And I'm gonna put a little bit more in here because I want the goodness in there. And if you don't use all this cream cheese mix, you can always put it in the refrigerator and use it later. And that's probably what I'll end up doing. So I'm gonna put this sucker together like this right here. Oh yeah, baby. And not just gonna have bacon on the inside. We're gonna bacon wrap it. We're gonna have bacon on the outside. So this is double bacon wrap infused with bacon and cream cheese, and black pepper on a skewer. And there's going to be many more on this. I'll probably double skew these. Matter of fact, I know I will. I'm going to run a skewer there and a skewer right here. I'm going to slide it down, and I'm going to keep loading it up, and I'm going to have 4 or 5 or maybe 6 on this one. And this is a big special shout out to my friend Bone from Bone's Yard. Well, looks like you learned how to love some bacon, he says. Just like old Bones. He's always playing with them army men. Y'all check him out. I'll put his link down below. And he just loves jalapenos. He loves bacon more than anything. Look at that. Let's see if that. Oh, he's done skewed the jalapeno. Y'all get on over and check him out. Bone, he does everything. And just like Bones, I did some bonesology. Yes, I did. You know what I did? Oh, face down. I cut a piece of oak right here, and I'm using it for my cutting board today. What y'all think about that? It's pretty cool, ain't it? Bone's always coming up with something different. He just makes things out of nothing. And that's what I like about him. He's a good man. And I really wish y'all would go check him out and tell him Calvin's Corner 72 sent you that way. I'm using this lodge from BBQ Pit Dog. He got me this, and I'm going to be using it today to set these on. They should do well. They should do real well. I got my heat right underneath, and if I have to, I can slide them over here out of the way and get them off the heat and cook them a little inverted. These should turn out real well. Look at the goodness, guys. Look at the goodness. All right, let's close her up. We'll let her go for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Guys, let's check them out. They've been on here about 10 minutes. I'd say they're doing pretty good. Hey, Bones. Did you think you was going to get away without me blowing you up? Did you really think it's 4th of July and I'm not gonna get to blow up Mr. Bones' yard? Oh my goodness. Do you smell the fear?
Well, I got something for you. Here, Army Man Wars out at Bones Yard. Now comes the fun part.
Oh my goodness, do you smell the fear? Look at there, face down, face down. I can't let you get away that easy. No, one ain't good enough. Do you smell the fear? Oh, that wasn't good enough, Bones. I'm gonna go one more time. Y'all enjoy this, hopefully as much as I am. Let's blow his legs off.
How you gonna come back from that?
Oh my goodness. What happened to Bones' yard? Well, at least he's not face down. But he does look like he's got a little firecracker between his legs. Let me go ahead and help him out with that. Ain't no sense in wasting it. Fire in the hole! I love you, Bones.
Uh-huh.
Look like you're smoking a little bit. You know that's not good for your health.
Oh, yeah.
Well, believe it or not,
Oh, I ain't through with you yet.
I did it. I found another dud that didn't go off. This one right here is guaranteed to clean out your rectal and all that bacon you've been eating.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on, not a bad lighter. Here we go, fire in the hole. Face down, look at there. That's the way we like to see him, face down.
You see that?
See, this is what I'm talking about. I live up here and there's all these crazy looking bugs. Check this one out. They come over to say hello to Bones' yard. What the crap is this thing? Somebody tell me what that is. I ain't never seen nothing like it. I'm not gonna pick this one up. Let's see what happens when Bones' yard tries to pick him up. Come on, Bones, don't be scared. Pick him up, Bones. Bones, pick him up. Oh. Come on, Bones, get him. Well, he seems to like you, Bones. Look at there. Oh, let's check on them, guys. Yes, I had to turn them. I did. I had to turn them because it got too hot over there. Started getting a little bit too done on this side. But I think they're going to turn out real good. It's what we ended up with. I got some more on the grill. They're not quite done yet. I'm going to sit down here and try one. If you can see me or not. Woo. I've never did anything like this before. Let's see how it turns out. Cheers. That's pretty doggone amazing right there. Y'all need to try these, guys. Everybody have a happy 4th of July. Get on back over here on the corner where the happiness is always just around the corner. Thank you, Steve, Uncle Steve from Uncle Steve Shakes for the hat. I appreciate it, man. Just wanted to say happy birthday, America. Hope everybody had a safe and productive, much love 4th of July. From the corner, we love y'all. Thank you for coming by. Drop me a comment, a like, subscribe. I appreciate it.
All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.